Welcome to this tutorial. How to use Google Earth Studio. Have you ever wanted to create stunning animations and videos using real-world satellite imagery? Well, today I'm going to show you how to do just that with Google Earth Studio. Google Earth Studio is a free, web-based animation tool. Let's see the steps. Open the Google Chrome web browser. Type www.google.com/earth/studio/ in the web address bar and press the Enter key on your keyboard. Click on the Try Earth Studio button at the top right. Enter your Google email ID and click on the Next button. Enter your Google account's password and click on the Next button. You will see a sign-up form. Fill in the required information and click on the Submit button at the bottom. On the next screen, click on the https://earth.google.com/studio link. A new webpage of https://earth.google.com/studio/ will open. Select the checkbox of I agree to these terms and conditions and click on the Accept button. Click on the Blank Project drop-down and select Quick Starts. You will find 4 different project templates. Select any template that you like. I selected this point-to-point template and then clicked on the Start button. Now in the search bar, search your first point. Like here, I searched for New York and clicked on the right arrow button. Search your second point to set, as here, I searched for the Statue of Liberty. Use your mouse to pan, orbit, and zoom to fine-tune your camera position. Click on the right arrow button and you will see an animation created based on your inputs. Click on the tick button. This will open a timeline of animation with an inserted keyframe. You can readjust or edit your animation here. Once you are happy with your Google animation, then click on the Render button at the top right. Give a name to your file. Select video file format as video.mp4. You can also select the video dimensions, attribution position, etc. Click on the Submit button at the bottom. This will start the rendering of your Google animation file. The rendering will take time depending your animation framework, internet speed, and system configuration. Once the render is completed, click on the animation menu at the top, and then click on the Cloud Render. Click on the Download button. Let's open the saved location and play this video. See, this wasn't hard at all. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates.